Rakes are incredibly useful in the garden for a wide variety of jobs, and there are many different types of rake and they look so very different from each other. The extra wide leaf rake can do a lot of work, raking up leaves on a much larger space, removing lighter material with much less effort. Because the rake head is made from extra large plastic and it can pick up much more materials per use, making it perfect if you've got a lot of deciduous trees dropping their leaves all over your garden, especially your lawn. It is also significantly lighter, weighing only 0.4 of a kilogram. Now this is great for raking up big clumps of leaves that are all over your lawn. You know, you get it, a big dump down a leaf, and if the light can't get through the leaves to the lawn and you finally rake them up, it's all yellow underneath. So the secret is to take up the leaves as soon as you see them. Now this larger rake can help you not only clear the leaves from your lawn, but it also makes it easier to collect them up for leaf mould. And that's for composting, which is rotted down in your borders. Now, leaf mould is particularly good for your garden. The top tip is to put all the leaves you've collected into a Hessian bag and then pop it behind your shed, you know, or your garage, and leave it for 2 years, and it rots right the way down into really fine fibres, which is great to dig into the soil, especially if you're sowing seeds. Anything prior to 2 years that may have been rotting just for a year, you can use for top dressing as a mulch or dig it in as a soil improver. And when you're raking, these long handles, they're incredibly good. It enables you to stand right up and keep your back straight. A bonus is that raking can also burn off plenty of calories. Now, working through a lot of your major muscle groups, certainly in the upper body, the arms, the shoulders and the back. For more information on garden tools and how best to use them, and also to find your local AMES stockist, just follow the link below.